Is the shaitan able to know what the human is up to or thinking? The answer is yes. Allah Azza wa Jal has enabled the devil to know what we are thinking, as in the hadith sallallahu alaihi wasallam, where he said that the devil runs in our veins like the blood does. So he knows what we think of. He whispers in our hearts. He knows if we intend to do something bad, so that he would enforce the idea and support us on doing bad things. If we want to do something good, he knows how to discourage us and not to do it. And this is all so that the testing would be great. And this is something that Allah has empowered Satan and his soldiers to be capable of doing.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
I'm a medicine student and I'm beginning my internship this year. I have to face new responsibilities, and I'm struggling. I'm struggling with the anxiety of making a mistake or hurting or killing a patient, and it prevents me from focusing. My intentions are clear in my mind. I choose the job to try to cure and relieve the patients. But as a human being, I may make a mistake during my career.
Nisreen, do you drive?
Sorry, excuse me?
Do you drive?
Yes.
And don't you ever have anxiety that you may hit someone or make an accident or a person?
Yes.
Okay. So do you eat and drink?
Yes.
Don't you fear that one day you may eat something and you may choke with it and you suffocate and die?
Not really.
You should consider it. See, the issue is that Shaitan, one of his tools, as mentioned in chapter Al-Imran, chapter 3, إِنَّمَا ذَلِكُمُ الشَّيْطَانُ يُخَوِّفُ أَوْلِيَاءَهُ. Verily, this is Satan intimidating you through his soldiers, or allies. So don't fear them, rather fear me. So the fear is from Shaitan. And Allah mentions in Surah Al-Mujadalah that النجوى من الشيطان ليحزن الذين آمنوا. That secret conversation between two is only from Satan, so that they would depress the third one who doesn't hear what they're saying. So he's depressed. Are they talking about me? Are they making fun of me? So again, this depression comes from Shaitan. And in chapter 7, Surah Al-A'raf, Allah tells us that those who fear Allah, al-muttaqun, where they are afflicted sometimes by Shaitan, so that he would confuse them. And if they remember Allah Azza wa Jal, they would immediately be able to see. All of this tells us that Shaitan is waiting, anticipating, lurking in the dark, waiting for us to slip and make a mistake. And he utilizes this. You have studied for 6, 7 years. You're qualified. You have A grades. Everyone says that you're a good student and a good practitioner. Why do you doubt yourself like this? Have tawakkul, which means reliance, dependence, and trust only in Allah, not in your ability, not in your strength, not in your knowledge. Have trust in Allah and do what you do to the best of your ability. If things go wrong, Allah would excuse you and pardon you because you did your best. You're qualified and you tried your level best. Do you think that the best doctors on earth, the best surgeons on earth, never have casualties when they operate or treat a patient? This is normal. It's part of the trade, business as usual. But when you look into what had happened, you will find no fault from their side. I did my best. I give the best treatment. So trust Allah. Think positively of Allah, because Shaitan does not